If you spend a lot of time working or relaxing in a bed or a recliner, this overbed table is one of those pieces that just makes life easier. It's on smooth rolling wheels, so you can slide it exactly where you need it, over a bed, next to a sofa. I personally use it in front of a recliner. It's a little tall for my recliner, but it states that it's best for seats over 17 inches. So be sure to check that before you purchase because it's not adjustable. It wasn't difficult to assemble, but it did take me a little while to unpack everything and actually get it all screwed together. One feature I appreciate is the built-in charging station. You don't have to stretch for an outlet or run cords across the room. Your laptop, phone, or tablet can stay plugged in and within reach. There's also a small storage pocket on the side, which is nice for keeping remotes, notebooks, or reading glasses tucked away but still close by. The rustic brown top with the black frame gives it a clean, modern look that blends in with most rooms, whether it's a bedroom, dorm, or living space. Overall, it's a practical setup if you want a stable surface and a little more convenience right where you're sitting or resting.